Hi everyone and welcome back. I am Jenny and today we're going to look at the steps that you will need to take in order to get your small business going. A reminder, I am trained as a therapist and a clinical supervisor, but for the purposes of this video and all the other videos, I am not those things here. I'm also not an accountant or a lawyer. In order to start your private practice, you're going to need to initiate your small business as a part of that. So this is a good idea to do even if you're only really planning on doing private practice as a side hustle, because you're going to need to pay self-employment taxes on any money that you earn after a certain amount. I believe the last time I checked that the amount was $400 a year. So pretty easy to make that amount even as a side hustle. Today we're going to do an overview of the main steps involved in starting a new small business. Then we're going to go into more details on some of these aspects in future videos. So I want to give you guys information straight from the source in the IRS's Guide to Starting a Small Business, which I will show you the details in there and leave a link to it so you can look at it in more detail for yourself. So some of the topics that are in this IRS's guide are things that we're going to touch on in future videos as well. And for now, I want to look at a few highlights for starting up a new business. So you're going to start with choosing a name. My name is very vanilla. It's just my name, Jenny Palo, Counseling Services, PLLC. So not super creative, but easy, and it works for me. You're going to need to select a registered agent. So a registered agent, will go into more details about what that is. It's not a big deal. And then you're going to file articles of organization, which I have templates that you can look at. I recommend that you apply for an employee identification number, and I'll go into details about what that is. And then create an operating agreement. I have a template and I'll share it with you. And then you'll register with the Secretary of State for a business license. Some states also require you to register in other ways, like Washington required me to register with their Department of Labor and Department of Revenue in order to get the business license. So you'll just have to also check with your local government. So in addition to the state government, maybe the county that you work in, the city that you work in, is going to ask that you also do some kind of registration or licensing process with them as well. And then I will have a video that goes into detail about the last step, which is to file a BOIR. And in our next video, we're going to talk more about the difference between an S Corp, an LLC, and a PLLC. And if you found anything in this video useful or beneficial for you, please like, subscribe, and share with others so they can find it. And let me know in the comments what your feedback is, what you thought of this video, and how I can help in the future. Until next time, remember, you have options and opportunities. See you soon.